When I was very sick, my friends deserted me, and my parents. Ancient of the Lion of Judah, the lily of the valley, Lion of Judah, oh Lion of Judah, you come and Lion of Judah.
Brigadier General Richard Toto, who is here at the residence of the late Major General Paul Lokesh, the Deputy Inspector General of Police. So far, so good. Everything's moving on well as is planned. Already we have received an advance team from Uganda People's Defense Forces. We also expect from Uganda Police, who will come here to join us. And what's now going on is the preparation for the burial, which is scheduled on Friday, after tomorrow.
What I've seen, the preparation is going on. The burial, the graves, they have started constructing, and which the body will be arriving tomorrow. And the committee from Gulu also has sent me here to see the committee from home here, so that we emerge to be a one committee and see what is we can support immediately before the bodies arrive here.
For us, Paul Lokesh was helping us in Padre here for many occasions. For instance, keeping peace, helping people, helping orphans, and paying school fees, an entire clan. And if that death could change, would have changed to another person.
Piano pay what take again. Nikar macharo man. Oramo yikodano macharo Paul Lokesh. Paul Lokesh pudar matiri. Paul Lokesh gano kakane. Paul Lokesh gano lobachuli. Paul Lokesh gano Uganda. Ki Africa met ki wilu beno loro. Lu paja mete o lu twal mier gen nen kom liel ki kome wa gen ge moke. Kache en ma ke kele gen obero dano ge ki kome. Yen ka chala man no bero la tij moñ. Dak beno be la tij police. Chi kome woti ka leko ne ka che twere. Ki yen wan lo ot. Ni wan lu paja ni wan kaka wa nen me moko ne ke kele wani obero dano wa ki kome. Kere ka be donge duku wa mango ma ta